Hey guys, Mr. Edgett here. Just a quick video on how to get into Google Classroom. What I have up here is the Boyertown home screen. From there you go down to the G for Google Apps. You click that. It brings you to the portal. So what you'll need to do is, this is my specific login, so don't mimic this. I'll get rid of it. It's going to be your first initial dot your last name. So if I was Nick, n.edgett at student.boyertownasd.org. So if it's your first time ever logging into Google Classroom from home, you're probably going to need this app part. If you've done this before and you successfully have gotten in, you won't need that app portion. So that should actually go away. From my understanding, that's what IT told me. So I'm going to go ahead and just put my stuff in so that I can get in myself. And once you sign in, we'll just take a minute, it's going to take you to your Gmail, straight to your Gmail. From there, in order to get to Google Classroom, you'll always want to come back to this waffle, this 3-digit by 3-digit waffle. When you click that, you'll have your Gmail. That's one way that you guys can communicate with me if you want to send me an email. In there is your Drive. This would have all of your documents. What you'll want to click is Classroom. My suggestion is down here where you have the red, yellow, and green. My suggestion would be to use Google Chrome because this is Google Classroom. And that way you can actually bookmark it. If you come up to the top right where the star is and you were to say bookmark this tab, you could say Google Classroom for Mr. Edgett. And that way, anytime you click the internet, I have mine right here, you would see that green chalkboard with the border around it, whatever you decide to call it, Mr. Edgett's Google Classroom. It's just a good idea to go ahead and bookmark that because we're going to be using this a lot. So again, this is how you would get into Google Classroom. This has the announcements on it, which you guys are familiar with. Classwork. I've created a Legends of Learning tab now, and I've also created a Math Online Learning tab. The reason it's gray is because it's scheduled for Sunday night, so that's when you guys will see this. That's when it'll be live. If you have any questions, again, email me. Your parents can feel free to call me. My office hours are going to be 10 to 12 each day. So again, the best way to communicate would probably be over email because that's easy for you guys once you log into your Google account. Obviously, I've already had some students communicate with me. You just want to go to the Compose button and you can send me an email. Hope that helped.